Hey, can I have a tractor?
Not today, Junior.
Hey, Daddy, can Billy come inside?
Not today, Junior.
Sorry, Billy. Hey, friendly Subway lady, may I please have mayonnaise?
Sure.
Can I have cow meat?
Sure.
Can I have pickles?
Sure.
Can I have blood?
Sure.
I got my Subway filled with lettuce, cheese, onions, and tomatoes, and blood. This is great!
Not today, Junior.
Get on there.
Warm up with seasoned meatballs smothered in a tasty tomato marinara sauce, or succulent slices of pepperoni and salami with melted cheese on freshly toasted bread. Two delicious winter warmers from the $7 Subway footlong menu.